Hi everyone, Ryan from Gray's Classic Cars and Bikes. The reason I've got a big smile on my face is this is the first time I've ever seen one of these things in the flesh. Now this is a 1966 Corvette Stingray convertible, and it is a factory matching numbers big block manual, 427 big block manual. The car underwent a rotisserie resto in the States about 8 years ago, and it is absolutely concours. The paintwork's faultless, the body, the trim, the mechanicals. I was lucky enough the other day, the guy that actually owns the car took me for a drive in it, and for a 1966 model car, you can't believe the way they perform, handle and brake. Just way ahead of their time back in the day. But this car, if you look on the interior, the steering wheel, the whole car's perfect. The original wheels on the car, as I said, it's complete matching numbers, and it's got a file that thick on the refurbishments. All the bits and pieces have been bought for it and history. They're a very, very rare car in America, and you don't see too many of them in Australia. So this is the first time I've actually seen a 427 manual in the flesh. The paintwork's perfect, the hood's absolutely stunning. You really can't fault the car. You just got to stand here and look at it and enjoy it. And before we started this video, I spent about an hour and a half just walking around this car and just looking at every little corner and gaps and all that sort of stuff. And underneath is just as good as it is on top. Like underneath, the floors are all perfect. There's no oil leaks. Everything's been done correctly. So it comes up this month at Gray's. We have got it at our Pinkenvar facility if you want to come down and have a look at it, or give us a call on 1300 Classic, or shoot us an email to classic@grays.com.au. But it is, as I keep saying, 427 4-speed matching number big block Corvette. Doesn't come any better than that.